Hello fam, we are back today to our 3 ingredient snacks, and today we are looking at how to make this crunchy, healthy, lovely snack with just 3 ingredients: cornflakes, peanut butter and honey. Guys, I got my inspiration from a lot of things I see on the internet. So I got this inspiration from one of them. I'm sure you will enjoy watching this video, and I'm really sure you want to try this at home. Guys, this is healthy. This is really crunchy, very crunchy. Just as seen on the video, that's exactly how you do it, and all the quantity will be under the caption. Guys, let's discuss how you feel or what you feel or when you try yours. Cornflakes contains fiber, both soluble and insoluble fiber. It's actually really good for diabetics. It digests so easily, and I'm sure you know peanuts contains some good nutrients too. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a blessed life. Bye.